Hi guys, I'm Asif Ali and you're watching CGHOW video. Today I created this very basic loot effect but looks really cool. So I'll create that from scratch. So let's start. So let's create a level first. Control L and just make it a little darker. And also I will reduce the light intensity. Maybe 2. Yeah. And increase the size of this ground. Yeah, perfect. So let's put a mesh here, a sphere on the 0 and here. Okay, this sphere, okay, I'll put a material on it, on this sphere. Just a gray material. I have some gray materials, so maybe this little darker.